Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. And is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, bed liner, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.